When you think about the immense timeline of the universe, a human life can feel like, well, just a flicker, right? But what if that flicker is happening at the perfect moment? Turns out, our lifetime is set to be one of the most extraordinary periods for watching the cosmos in all of human history. Yeah, it's so easy to feel small, to think of our time here as just another insignificant tick of the cosmic clock. We look up at a night sky that seems so ancient, so static, like it's never going to change. But here's the thing. The universe is anything but static. We are positioned at this unique intersection of cosmic timing and human ingenuity. This isn't just some random moment. It's an incredible opportunity to see things no generation before us ever could. All right, so let's start with the events we know are coming, the ones we can actually circle on our calendars. Think of these as our confirmed appointments with the universe, happening right in our cosmic backyard. You know, the solar system moves with this beautiful, predictable rhythm. It's like an elegant dance of planets, moons, and asteroids, and it means we can forecast some truly spectacular sights with amazing precision. And man, the next couple of decades are absolutely packed. We've got an asteroid making a historically close pass, a stunning alignment of planets, and a pair of major solar eclipses sweeping across the globe. Let's break these down. Okay, so in 2029, the asteroid Apophis is going to streak past Earth. What's incredible is just how close it's getting. It'll pass closer to us than some of our own satellites, and it will be bright enough to see with the naked eye. Now, don't worry, it poses no threat, but it's an invaluable opportunity for our planetary defense systems. Scientists can test our tracking, study its composition up close, and even see how Earth's gravity affects its spin. All crucial data for being ready if an object ever is on a collision course. Then, in 2040, you're going to want to look up. Several planets will gather on the same side of the sun, creating this beautiful arc in the night sky. But beyond the visual spectacle, these alignments are a huge gift for space exploration. They allow spacecraft to use the gravity of one planet to kind of slingshot towards the next, saving precious fuel and years of travel time on those big missions to the outer solar system. And of course, we have to talk about total solar eclipses, arguably the most awe-inspiring celestial event you can witness from Earth. For a few brief, breathtaking minutes, the day turns into twilight, and the sun's ghostly atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible. This is a rare chance for scientists to study our star's mysterious outer layers, and with major eclipses coming in 2044 and 2045, many of us will get to experience this surreal transformation of our world firsthand. Now, let's move on from these one-off events to ongoing change, because it's not just about what's coming our way. Our entire solar system is a place of active, constant evolution, and we're seeing it happen in real time. Just take Jupiter's Great Red Spot. For centuries, it's been the most iconic feature of the gas giant, a storm larger than our entire planet. But it's disappearing. Since the 19th century, it has shrunk by nearly half. We are literally witnessing a fundamental change in one of the most recognizable features of our solar system, and it's happening right now. This raises a pretty powerful question, right? A feature once thought to be almost eternal might disappear or become completely unrecognizable within our lifetimes. We might just be the last humans to see the Great Red Spot as we've always known it. And this kind of dynamism isn't just on Jupiter. Over on Mars, massive dust storms can grow to consume the entire planet, blotting out the sun for weeks. These aren't just little weather events. They are planet-altering phenomena that we have to understand as we plan to explore and maybe one day live on another world. So far, we've stayed pretty close to home, but seeing our own cosmic neighborhood change in real time prepares us for an even bigger idea, that the wider galaxy is also in constant, dramatic flux. So now, let's zoom out, beyond the predictable clockwork and into the realm of violent, unpredictable events waiting to unfold. Yeah, these are the events we can't schedule. They're the universe's wild cards, governed by the chaotic life and death of stars. And one of the biggest wild cards out there is a star called Betelgeuse. Get this, it has been over 400 years since anyone on Earth witnessed a supernova explode in our own galactic neighborhood with the naked eye. That is a long time to wait, but that wait could end, well, anytime really. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star, and it's at the very end of its life.
When it finally explodes, it'll be an unimaginable sight, shining as brightly as a crescent moon and visible in broad daylight for weeks. But this is more than just a spectacular light show. We'll be watching a cosmic forge in action, witnessing the violent creation of heavy elements like gold and platinum, the very stuff that makes up our world. To see this happen in our own galactic backyard would be a true cosmic privilege.
But the story isn't just about what's happening out there. It's about how we're able to see it. In our lifetime, technology is giving us fundamentally new senses to perceive the universe. For all of human history, we've only studied the cosmos through light. Now, we can actually feel it. Gravitational waves are literal ripples in the fabric of space-time, created by the most violent events imaginable, like the collision of two black holes or neutron stars. What's really so interesting here is the scale of this breakthrough. This isn't just a slightly better telescope, it's like our species has suddenly grown a new sense. For the first time, we can hear the gravitational echoes of cosmic collisions that happened billions of years ago, giving us an entirely new channel to understand the dark hidden side of the universe. And we're using our new eyes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, to answer one of humanity's oldest questions: are we alone? By analyzing the faint light from distant stars as it passes through the atmospheres of their planets, we can hunt for biosignatures, the chemical fingerprints of life, like oxygen and methane in the same place. Our generation is the first with the tools to systematically search for life beyond Earth. This all leads to a really profound shift in our place in the cosmos. We're no longer just looking up at the sky in wonder. We're becoming a part of the story itself. The Voyager probes have already left the protective bubble of our sun and entered interstellar space, and future missions are being designed specifically to explore this unknown frontier. These aren't just robotic missions. They represent humanity's first tentative, intentional steps out into the galaxy. And that's the ultimate takeaway here. Our relationship with the universe is fundamentally changing. We've evolved from being passive observers, mapping the constellations, to becoming active participants, able to witness stellar explosions, feel the vibrations of space-time, and send our own emissaries out into the great unknown. We stand at a remarkable moment, equipped with knowledge and tools beyond the wildest dreams of our ancestors, and with a front-row seat to the cosmos. The celestial stage is set. So the only question that remains is, what will we discover? What will we write in the next chapter of this incredible cosmic story?